This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some. So let's unbox it. And today we actually have a little order from MINISO. I am so excited for this. This is the fruit collection. Oh my God, look how cute they are. I love these. These are like little Ufufy characters. So Disney used to have Uffies back in the day and then they got rid of them. I don't even know why. So I think you can only find them in like China or Japan. Like you can't find them in the US. So I saw this and I was like, oh bitch, I need to get that. And then I saw these two things. I have never heard of this guy, but I think he's like a fat ass hamster. And I was like, obviously I need to get it. It's fat. So I don't really know what the this is, but it comes in a coffee cup and I think that was cute enough. So, and then we have something that's not quite MINISO, but I did get this on Amazon because you're probably gonna laugh, but like, this is probably a very stupid reason, but I was just too excited about it. So this character is called Monday Bruce. Never heard of him before. And Monday Bruce is this little rabbit that just looks very aggravated because he has to go to work. And this is the commuting series. And if you didn't know, I used to live in New York, and before COVID and all that bloopity blah blah, I used to have to take the train. I would have amazing stories from the train, things that were disturbing, disgusting, hilarious, sometimes all three. And I saw these and it just made me nostalgic. And I was like, I just really want to see what this is going to be. So I did get 3 of them. There are 6 variations, right? And then there's like a secret guy. So I'm kind of curious to see what exactly it's going to be. But apparently on Amazon, they said that these were going to be 3 boxes, no duplicates. We'll see about that because I got by Pop Mart with that. All right. It took several weeks, but they were able to resolve my issues with them. But it's been a drama. But anyway, I kind of want to open up Bruce first and then we'll open up the MINISO stuff. But anyway, without further ado, let's open. Again, here are all the different variations. I think, what do I think it's going to be? I'm actually just going to pop it right here. It'd be a little bit easier. I think I really want the secret because I don't know what the secret is. But I kind of love number 2 because that was, let me tell you something. For my babies who have trains, and if you know, you know, the best seat, if you cannot get a seat, the best seat is being pressed by the door. Oh, it's so good. I don't even care if I have to let people on and off or whatever. It doesn't matter. You have to lean up on that disgusting piece of glass. Oh God. You just felt like you're better than everybody else. So anyway, that's who I want. I want number 2. I feel like these are kind of hard to tell what it's going to be. So let's hope for number 2. Not a good start so far. Oh, I love that this is like a little Metro card machine in the back. I don't think Metro cards exist anymore. What are they? Nothing, right? What are you doing? Bitch is running. Oh, you're number 4. Oh, he's running. So in this little set, it's a lot. Oh, you build this. Oh my God, it's like looking into the past. Oh my God, it's the A train. What the oh, there's stickers. All right. You had me until I had to put this all oh God. Oh God. All right. What is this homework? Okay. Oh, wow. All right. We're going to build this and I'm going to show you with the magic of editing what it looks like. But I want to unbox stuff now because I'm impulsive and impatient and I want instant satisfaction, instant gratification. So we're going to have to put him back in the box temporarily. But all right, we got number 4. How cute. He's really cute and I can't wait to put it all together. And I know I'm probably going to be like, oh my God, I should have just taken the time to do it. But like, again, I just want it now. So here is the second box. I want to say this is going to be, I kind of want either number 2 or number 3. Those little, wait, nope, wait, nope. This one or this one. I'm trying to look at my monitor where to go. Those are the 2 that I like. Let's see, what do I get? So each one kind of has the same scene. Curious to see like how I can connect them, if I can. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, yay! Oh, it's actually number 1. Oh, look how angry he is. Oh, that's so mean. You are so mean. me. Oh my God, I love him. All right, that's pretty cool. Have not gotten any of the ones that I wanted, but I'm happy with what I've gotten so far. So let's open the last box. Give me 2 or 3. Give me 2 or 3. Or the secret. I'll take the secret. Oh, I think this is number 5. Oh, bitch. Oh, yeah. So I think he's like looking out. He's like pressed out. Baby is pressed up against the glass, judging everybody. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's super cute. Okay. Do you get a card or anything in these? Not really. No, you just get a lot of homework. All right. This was really fun. I kind of wish they were already built, but it's okay though. It's okay. I'm going to build it now and you're going to see what they look like now. Hi. So fun fact, because I knew I was going to be moving, I never built them, or I never asked Alex to build them. So, but on the bright side, we're in the new house. I'm very excited about that, but did not build them yet. So hopefully by the time that you see my collection video, they'll be built. Or not. Hopefully they are. Sorry. Isn't that so cool? The power of editing. I'm going to make Alex build them for me. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, I kind of want to do the fat ass hamsters in the cup because these look so cute. Oh my God. So what do I want? What do I want? I would be happy with any of them. I kind of want the cappuccino one. The cappuccino one is super cute. I also kind of like the one with the duck, which is this guy. That one's kind of fun too. I mean, I feel like there's no bad one. So here's hoping that it's going to be amazing. Oh, there is a card. I tried not to look, but I think I fucking ruined it for myself. And I think it's the boba one. I think I did that. That's on me. That's on me. Oh, look at him. I don't even know. Oh my God, he's just so dissatisfied with everything. Oh, I love you. All right, let me just try to puff his ass out though, because this cup is looking all f***ed up. Oh, oh, he comes out. Ah! Oh my God, look how cute he is. And he has little wings. Oh, he's like a little angel. Are you an angel? Oh, he's dead. He's dead because he's a little angel and it's supposed to, what the hold on. Yeah, he's dead. He has little angel wings and he's a little halo and you're drinking him. I mean, you know, like it's cute. It's cute, but it's kind of me up a little bit because I don't think there's none of the other ones are dead. He's the only one that's dead. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Teresa is dead. Hamster is dead. Hamster gets reincarnated into a boba drink, I guess. Not really, you're an angel. I'm definitely the devil. So, all right. Oh, this is super cute. So it's called boba. Oh, it's boba rat. Are you a rat? Shut up. Oh my God. I thought it was a fat ass hamster. It's a boba rat. Oh, this bitch is a rat. Oh, I love it even more. Oh my God, I love this. I need all of them. They literally only had like a handful of these left. Otherwise, I would have got the set. I kind of need to get the set. Jesus. All right. This is so cute. I hate that the box is all up, but it's all good. Oh, I forgot. I want this to be the one with the ducky. I want the ducky, or I want the latte, or the orange. Honestly, I'd be happy with any of them, but I kind of want that one. Ah! Yay, bitch! I got the ducky. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at this fat. Oh my God. Like mother, like son. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, he's like on little vacation. Oh, and he has orange slice. Oh my God, stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so cute. They're a little wonky. So I'm gonna have to like press these out. Like so. But this is so, oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my God, look at him. He's like on vacation. Oh, he's on vacation. I gotta put the little orange slice right there. Oh, shut the f up. That is the sweetest fucking thing I've ever seen. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I don't know if I would take this outside the house though, only because there's like a lot of the components are kind of like fragile. So I think this might be like one that I just leave in the house and I just look at him and I go, oh, you know? But oh my God, I love that he's a rat. I love rats so much. So I got a dead rat and a boba. And then I got like rat on vacation. I love these. These are so good. I need to find more of these. Ugh, MINISO. MINISO, bitch. What are you doing to me? I love MINISO. They fuck me up. Now, here we are for the main attraction, which I am so excited about. I'm so excited about these. This is the fruit collection. I don't know if there's a secret. So let's see. Oh my God, I see all the people on TikTok do this. They're like, I'm just gonna make it look like a little stand. I don't even know why I'm doing that because I'm just gonna be throwing the box out anyway, but hey, listen. Oh, there is a special one. No, is there not? Oh, I don't think, oh no, Tigger is the secret. Wow. Okay, so here are all the little babes, okay? Obviously, we want a Tigger. And if that means I have to forego a Minnie, so be it, okay? I want everybody but Minnie. Minnie, get out of here. I don't want you. Watch this be Minnie. Watch this actually be Minnie. All right, so let's, open it up, clean rip. Ah! Okay. Oh, you have no idea how genuine this is. Oh God. And I mean, I'm filming this in September, but you're not going to see this until December. Who knows what the world is like, okay? But right now it's pretty so it could get worse. And this is the only thing that I have to look forward to it. But look at how sweet this is. Oh my God. So what are you? Do you have a card? Yes, you do. I want to say you're probably a lemon. No, bitch, you are a green apple. Okay. Look at this motherfucker. Green apple. He is so sweet. I can't. I do need Dale. I will be very sad if I don't get a Dale. Dale is my favorite, again, because we have matching teethies. Okay? Anyway, let's open the next one. Box number 2. Ah! I was like, who are you? I think you're the lemon and you're my Donald, right? Or you date. No, you're Donald. Oh no, bitch. Do I not know fruit? I mean, look at me. Do I not know fruit? This is a pear. You kidding me? Donald, yeah, Donald, you are a pear. Okay, sorry. It took me a second because I couldn't tell at first. This is super cute though. This is so cute. And they're squishy. They have hard plastic faces, but this is super squishy. I like that it's a key ring. Oh, that's cute. Are you supposed to smell? I think you're supposed to smell, but also my nose is kind of jacked up. I can't smell anything. Is it the card that smells? I'm gonna have to ask Alex to smell these because like I don't smell shit. But all right, we love that. Okay, box number 3. I feel like I'm gonna pull a Pooh Bear. This is my Pooh Bear. It's my strawberry Pooh Bear. If it's not, I will riot. Okay. Ooh. You cannot make this shit up, bitch, because I'm just a psychic. Okay, look how cute. I'm sorry. Look how cute he is. Oh no, sir, this way. He is so cute. He is so precious. Look at him. Look at the baby. Oh my God, the baby's so cute. You are so fun. I think it does smell, or it's plastic, or I'm having a stroke. I can't tell. I can't tell. I can't tell. I fucking can't tell. So far, we're halfway through our little unboxing. We have 3 more left. I really want the Tigger. I want the Tigger. And I feel like this one's not gonna be the Tigger. I think this is going to be my Dale. This is gonna be my Dale. All right, this is gonna be this little boy right here, okay? This little sweet, I guess he's a little apple, right? I think he's an apple. So let's open him up. It's Minnie. That bitch Minnie, all right? Get out of here, Minnie. Who are you? Oh, you're lychee. Or is it lychee? I think it's plastic. I think you're plastic. I mean, Minnie's fine. She's fine, but like, I don't know. Like, I want Tigger. You know what I mean? Like, I'd rather have him. He looks super cute. Minnie doesn't. I'm sorry, okay? Minnie, ugh. Nobody cares. I want this. I'm a little scared now. Whew. Because, oh yeah, I mean, Stitch is pretty cute too, but I would prefer to have Tigger. I want Tigger and Dale, all right? I think this one is my Dale. It's my Dale. Ah! Oh, okay. Oh, we only have 1 shot left. You're cute, but like, I'm a little scared. What are you? I think you are kiwi. Oh no, you're an avocado, bitch. How the f do I not know these things? I mean, that is an avocado. To be fair, that is an avocado. But I just thought you were a kiwi. Oh my God, he's cute. He's cute. He is cute. He is cute. But like, I don't know what's more insulting, the fact that I don't know my fruits, or or if I can't tell if it smells like anything because I think I'm having a stroke, or the fact that I have not pulled Dale, and that makes me very sad because, I mean, I'm a winner, baby, either way, right? If I get Dale or the secret, but I kind of want Dale, but I kind of want the secret. So let's see. Whatever happens from this day forward, I just have to be okay with it, okay? You... Oh, you're home. My little boy, you're home. And I believe you are an apple. Watch this be like a fucking carburetor. Nope, it's a red apple, bitch. I at least got that one right. Okay. Can I have like a little fruit counter? Like how many times I got it wrong? Because I'm pretty sure I got all of it wrong. Oh, do you have makeup on your head? Oh, is that me? Because I dropped you? Oh, God. Oh, me. Hold on. Oh, no, you just have something from the factory. Yeah, I don't think these are supposed to smell. Okay. Look at him. That's my son. He's so cute. These are so cute. I'm super bummed. That I didn't get the secret. But you know what? There are sometimes you just don't get it. And it is what it is, okay? And you just gotta just be a woman about it and accept it. You don't have to like it, but you have to accept it. Anyway, now I wanna hear from y'all. Let me know down below if, look at this bitch. If you have any of this stuff, if you have any of these little collections, do you love them? Do you hate them? Are you like me? Are you like, ew, Minnie, get out of here. Nobody wants you here. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And I will, oh, this fat bastard, I will see y'all real soon. I love you, my little trash bags.